What's up, everybody? It's Ray from Mr. Couch Tato, and today I am gonna be teaching mother trucker. This is Ray from Mr. Couch Tato, and this is a tutorial on how to make a delicious bowl of cereal. Now, what you want to do, you want to get your bowl, and I'm gonna be using this nice, it's got a piece of crust on it, so I'm going to use something else. I'm using this nice white bowl. Okay, this nice white bowl. And you want to get your Fruity Pebbles. Because Fruity Pebbles is the best cereal. That's a fact. You can ask Bill Nye, the science guy. You can ask any professional scientist, any professional figure, and they will all say that Fruity Pebbles is the best. Now, I'm gonna open this. Oh, it smells so good. This is a new pack. Dunk some of that in there. You want to dunk about that much, maybe more. Yeah, you want to dunk for about that long. That's like a good portion. Now you want to get your milk. Now this milk, we're actually kind of running low on milk, but that's okay. You just need milk. Still good. You want to pour that in there until it reaches the top of the cereal. You fill that bowl with milk. Heck yeah. Alrighty, and that's how you make your delicious bowl of cereal. I'm going to show you guys this cereal. Now once you're done, this is what your bowl of cereal should look like. You want to get yourself a spoon, okay, and you dunk it in there. You dunk that spoon in there, and then you take this over to your table of choice. And we'll take it over to this table. It's got some nice avocados on it. You don't need these for the cereal, but I mean, if you really want to put them in there, you can. But we're going to get a taste test, and I'm going to rate it 1 through 10. That's a 10 out of 10 bowl of cereal right there. What do you think? You agree? Boxy, hey, you agree? He agrees. He definitely agrees. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. See you in the next random video. Peace out.